Okay, this is our downstairs air conditioner. I got another video on me repairing the upstairs air conditioner. Okay. Alright, when you turn the air conditioner on, that's the alarm system. Okay. When I turn the air conditioner on, okay, what's happening, alright, let me go show you. Okay, what's happening, like I said, what's happening, this is the outside unit, of course, I'm outside. Okay, what's happening, it's humming and it's not starting. And I have this little rod right here and I have it off and I have the breaker pulled. I've already troubleshooted and I know what the problem is. I spin this and the fan takes off. Okay, that tells me more than likely it's the capacitor. Okay, now this thing has more than one capacitor. This thing actually has 2 capacitors and a quick start. So let me go down there and I'll show you. I'm a ways off the ground. Okay. We're above the ground for plugs. Okay. It's an old unit. Okay. Show you what we did. Okay. First off, I took my handy little drill. My impact, I should say. And I removed the cover. There's a cover covering. Okay. There's a cover covering this outside unit. Okay, this is like a commercial outside unit. Okay. That is the upstairs unit. Like I said, I have another video on me repairing that one. Okay, so what I did, I took my screwdriver. First thing I did was kill the breaker. I stopped the breaker. The breaker's off right now. I took my screwdriver and I jumped it across these terminals. The capacitor will hold some energy. Okay. Here was the old capacitor. And you can see, if you can tell, it's swollen up. It's swollen up right here in this area right here. You can tell. Okay, so what I did, this is the new capacitor. Now this is also a capacitor. Okay, and also have a quick start on here. Okay, this is all stuff I put on there. Okay. Here's the other new capacitor. But I'm not going to change it because it don't always keep a couple of these. I keep capacitors for everything, for both air conditioners, for everything I have that has an air conditioner, my generator, anything that has capacitors, I buy extra. Okay. So now I have another video on how I fix the heater. That's in another video. This is also a heater, gas heater. Okay, so now I changed this capacitor. Now the other capacitor looks good. Okay, let's see if I can do this with one hand. So I'm not going to change both capacitors. Okay. I'm only going to change the one. Might be kind of hard to line this hole up with one hand. Okay, just hold on. Hold on a second. Okay, this is the new capacitor I just put in. There's just one little screw right here. Okay, I got her tight. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to button this panel back up because I know that I can only talk. I know that's what was the problem. Okay. Because I've already tested it, but I'm going to test it again to make sure. Okay, I'm not going to pretend like I'm troubleshooting and I just found the answer, which I did earlier. Okay, so it's just capacitor. Now I have an extra, like I said, I showed you an extra one of these. I'm gonna order another one of these. I get them on eBay. This is probably about $15 for this. I'm probably saving $300. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this. I'm gonna put this panel back on. Okay, this unit is a Luxair. Not that it makes any difference. There's only 2 screws that hold this on, and it fits up under here. Okay. So, all I got left to do is put these 2 screws in. 2 short little screws, 1/4 inch. You know, of course, you don't need an impact to put this back on. You can use a nut runner. It's only 2 screws. I got used to using this impacting. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do now is turn the breaker on, and I'm gonna get the wife to turn on the air conditioner, and I'm gonna be out here to film it. Like I said before, every time you turn it on, it makes a humming noise, and you gotta spin that blade by hand. So, all right, you go up there and put the breaker back on. Okay, I'm at my breaker panel. This is the breaker for both of the outside units. There's also a 2 more breakers for each unit outside. This is for the disconnect. This kills power to both units. All right, upstairs and down. Okay, we're gonna turn that on. All right. Okay, like I said before, it would hum. Now what I found out with these capacitors, they last a little while. I might get a year out of it, or so. And then, like I said, it's an old unit. It'll hum, and you gotta come out here. This is, like I said, the downstairs unit, and you gotta spin this. And then it'll run fine until it kicks off. Then once it kicks off, you have to do it again. Now, if you're not here to do it, the motor's going to overheat. The motor right here is going to overheat. Okay, it's just not starting. The capacitor's not giving it enough voltage to start. That's what's happening. So we got the new capacitor in. We got everything buttoned back up. Okay, so now we're going to test it. All right, turn it on. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. As you can see, it's working. And all it was this capacitor. Okay. I didn't write the date on here. This is the old capacitor. I put new on it. But as you can see, it overheated and it swelled up. Now we're in the deep south and it gets very, very hot down here. And capacitors go out on air conditioning quite a bit. Not just these, but other people. And it's going to cost them $300. That just saved $300 bucks. $15 capacitor. I'm gonna order another one to keep it over here in stock. Alright. Now we do it here. Repair our air conditioner, save $300. with a $15 part. I hope this helps someone. Like I said, I have another video on my upstairs air conditioner where I fixed it. The capacitor for that one is upstairs. If you go back and look at my videos, it's an inside unit. It does have the outside, you can see there, it does have the outside compressor and everything's outside. The coils and the condenser and everything's inside. This unit has everything in it. Now they're both 2-ton units. This unit has a heater. This unit also has a heater, and that's why it's so gigantic. And you can see it's piped. I have it piped or duct into my house. Okay. Now I'm up back here behind the house under the trees, so it stays pretty cool back here. Okay. Like I said, this is a 2-ton unit, and that over there is a 2-ton unit. All right. So if you have a 2-story house, you want 2 separate units. Okay. You want a unit for downstairs and a unit for upstairs. Don't make the mistake of getting a 4-ton unit. Okay, don't make the mistake. That's not an outhouse there. That's actually where the water heater is, the gas water heater. Okay, I totally built this house myself. Okay, that could be in another video, I guess. I hadn't made a video. So that's, you want 2 units. What I'm saying is, you want 2 units for an upstairs. You have 2 different zones. A friend of mine with a 2-story house bought a 4-ton unit. The air conditioning man said you need 2 tons. Then he bought a 4-ton. You can't keep the upstairs. To get the upstairs to get cool, the downstairs you can hang meat. It freezes. So what he had to do was go in the ductwork and put blowers, and it's still not efficient. So that's just a little bit of information. Like I said, your air conditioning man will tell you you need 2 units. You got 2 separate zones. Okay, don't try to outsmart them and put a 4-ton unit for upstairs and downstairs. It doesn't work. So anyway, we got it fixed. All it was a $15 capacitor, and we saved another $300. How we doing here? Repair our air conditioning stuff. Oh, something else I want to say. If you're not comfortable working with electricity, high voltage, okay, you're not worried about, this is 220 volts. 270 to 440 volts. Okay. If you're not used to working with high voltage, or afraid of it, or don't know what you're doing, call an electrician and get somebody to come do it for you. Pay them $300 and save your life. This is just this is a video to show you how I did it. And I've fixed my air conditioning many times. And just about every time it was a capacitor. A couple times that it was a switch. And never was a motor or compressor. I'm lucky so far. This, like I said, it's an old unit. Like I said, stuff's in there. That's my fireplace. That's a whole nother video that I'm gonna do. I got a fireplace. Gas fireplace. Alright. How we doing here? Repair our own air conditioner.